Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. In this video, we will look at some points to stay productive that saves time at home. Many of us have to manage office work, home, kids, and thereby it is important to stay productive for our own peace of mind. That little save time can be an amazing booster for our mental health and overall well-being. So without further ado, let's get started. This habit is not related to time management but to have a good daily routine. Make your bed before you start your routine. This is a 2-minute simple habit but has a great impact. Seeing your room neat and tidy will give you a good kickstart for the day ahead and help you in being productive. Also, you get one task done from the list, which is making your bed. So now you have more time to do other things. Having a set morning routine can be a lifesaver, especially for the homemakers. There is a lot to be done in the morning, like sending kids to school, preparing tiffin for husband, and managing household chores. But if you follow a certain morning routine every day, this will set everything on autopilot. And this set routine will help you finish your chores on time and as per your priorities. Since you have more energy in the morning, you can do things in much better and more productive way. Plan your meals in advance. If you are not able to decide for a week, at least decide for the next day and write it on the board or paper. The following day it will be easy for you as you already know what needs to be cooked, which ultimately saves your time. Most of us have a hectic life with work, house chores, managing kids, etc. And sometimes our own health can take a backseat. Having a healthy breakfast is a must. It is important to focus on what we are eating for breakfast. Breaking the fast with a nutritious meal can make you feel energetic and charged up for the day ahead. This will improve your efficiency and productivity. Do not ignore daily nutrition. Lack of nutrition in your daily diet routine can make you sluggish and lethargic. Proteins are the building blocks of life, and believe it or not, a lot of people are lacking it in their diet. This is because many of us are just unaware of the daily requirement of protein. This leads to poor muscle health in individuals. Many of us who are in their 30s and 40s can feel a dip in energy levels, experience weight gain, slow metabolism, skin issues, and all of this is just adding on the stress. This is because of lack of protein-rich foods in our diet. To take care of my daily nutrition requirements, I have recently added HK Vital's Protein Up Women in my diet. It is especially made for fulfilling our nutritional needs and can help maintain our skin, hair, and energy. Protein Up Women is India's first 100% vegetarian protein crafted specifically for women's strength and beauty needs. It comes with high-strength triple blend protein that boosts your strength and energy, has garcinia and green tea extract that keeps your weight managed. It fulfills 100% of your daily biotin requirement. This protein powder also contains collagen builder from vitamin C and amla that gives you glowing skin. It is difficult for vegetarians to fulfill their protein requirement, but HK Vital's Protein Up Women Veg provides an all-in-one solution for holistic nutrition and beauty needs, as this is 100% vegetarian protein. I consume my protein after my workout. All I do is just take a scoop and add it to the shaker. Then I add 200 ml chilled water, shake it and enjoy it every day. This tastes delicious as it comes in tasty chocolate flavor and has no added sugar. It keeps me fuller for longer and keeps my energy levels up throughout the day and makes my day efficient and productive. If you have cluttered home, you spend more time cleaning and moving things around, which wastes a lot of your time. Keep your surroundings clutter-free so that you can concentrate on better things. Having a clean and organized place helps you in getting work much faster. Whatever you own, it should have a dedicated space in storage. If you don't have space, don't buy. Simple. Or first make a space by decluttering or purging old items. Having no space or placing things randomly anywhere wastes a lot of time, as later when you will need these things, you won't find them easily, which will make you frustrated and less productive. In the modern world, everything works on technology. We have hundreds of apps, OTT platforms, social media, emails, virtual meetings, and many things to handle. And all these things work with different IDs and passwords. And trust me, many people don't even remember the set passwords. The day any crucial application logs out from computer or phone, it feels like a nightmare. As finding the password or generating the new password sometimes takes forever, especially if you have not set any recovery email or phone number. And all this process lowers your productivity and wastes time. So the easy solution is either make a note of these passwords or create password in such a manner or pattern that you can easily remember. You can also use free authenticators from Google or Microsoft. I will cover more on this in the upcoming documentation video. To save time, do not clean or organize everything in one day. Always keep organizing and cleaning your house little by little every day. Target one section or area every day. That will put less pressure on you and help save you time. This habit will also help keep your home always neat and tidy. Last year in my annual cleaning and organizing video, I shared this tip. Make a monthly schedule of things to be done. Jot down what area you want to declutter or organize in a specific month. Like I have mentioned here that I need to clean and arrange my son's study desk and my working desk. This way I will not be able to ignore the mess and will make an effort to clean and reorganize. This habit will make your routine much more clear and focused as you know what needs to be done in a certain month. If you really want to save time and be efficient, do not procrastinate tasks which can be finished quickly. Anything which takes less than 2 minutes, do it right away, like placing the remote control back to the drawer or keeping cushions upright. These small tasks, if not done right away, keep piling up, and at the end of the day, we will have too much to handle. And generally, as the day starts to end, our energy levels and efficiency decreases and tasks remain unfinished. Last but not the least, learn something new to increase your productivity and stay updated. There is no age to learn something new. Modern world is such that we need to be updated all the time and keep learning as technology is changing rapidly. Like this year, I have planned to learn advanced level mobile photography and videography, which is very convenient when traveling, and then I don't have to carry bulky cameras. I have also decided to learn advanced Excel so that I can make my accounts and other data faster, which will hopefully add to my efficiency. And that's all about this video. If we control our routines wisely, we can do everything faster and efficiently and without getting overwhelmed. Thank you for watching Simplify Your Space. See you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.